Dear students, today in 7th standard maths, we are going to see about area of pathways. First one is a circular pathway. The area of the pathway is a difference between the outer circle and the inner circle. Let the outer circle radius be the capital R and the inner circle radius be the small r. Here, the area of the circular pathway formula is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So the common we can take it out as pi open bracket r square minus small r square square unit. Next is a rectangular pathway. Actually, what is the area of the rectangle? It is L into B. Here, we are going to consider the area of the rectangle pathway, area of the outer rectangle and the area of the inner rectangle. So the area of the outer rectangle, we can go with capital LB, and the area of the inner rectangle is small lb. So to find the area of rectangular pathway, we have to use the formula LB minus LB square unit. By using this two formula, we are going to solve exercise 2.3 sums. In exercise 2.3, question number 1, find the area of the circular pathway. Whose outer radius is given as 32 centimeter and the inner radius is 18 centimeter. Let's try the sum in the classwork note. Now, what is the formula to find the area of the circular pathway? That equal to pi capital R square minus small r square unit. Now, in the given question, the outer radius is 32 centimeter and the inner radius is 18 centimeter. Let's substitute this two value in the given formula. It is pi value is 22 by 7 into 32 square minus 18 square. Okay. 32 square, the base we have to multiply into 2 times. So 32 into 32, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, now 4, 6 plus 6 12, carry over 1, 10. So 32 square which is equal to 1024. Same like that you have to find the value for 18 square. We have to multiply 18 2 times. Now 22 by 7 into 1024 minus 18 square. If you multiply the base 2 times, you are getting 324. Next step, 22 by 7 into subtract this two number so that you will get 700. Now we can go for the cancellation of this number. 7 ones are 7, hundreds are 700. Now 22 into 100, 22 with 2 zeros, centimeters square. So answer, area of a circular pathway is 2200 centimeters square. Is it clear, student? How to substitute the values in a given formula? Question number 2. There is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 meter width is laid around the lawn. What will be the area of the pathway? So, in a circular lawn, what is given? What is the total radius of this? It is 28 meter. So the small r, that is a inner circle, is 28 meter, and the width pathway we are going to construct with 7 meter. So first step we have to find the outer circular radius. So 28 plus 7, which gives you 35. So the capital R, capital radius is 35 meter, and the small r is 28 meter. Now easily you can, by using the formula, you can find the area of the circular pathway. So area of the circular pathway equal to area of the circular pathway equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square minus small r square, square unit. What is your capital R, which given as what we constructed as 35 meter, and the inner circle radius is 28 meter. Now pi value is 22 by 7. 35 square minus 28 square, 22 by 7 into 35 into 35, we can get 35 into 35, we will get 1225 minus 28 into 28, we will get 784. So 22 by 7 into 1225, we have to minus 784 is 441, and we can go for the cancellation. So if you cancel, you will get the answer as 1386 meter square. So the area of the given sum is 1386 meter square. Next one, same like this sum, you can go with a circular carpet whose radius is given as 106 centimeter, is laid on a circular hall of radius 120 centimeter. Find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. Uncovered by the carpet. First step, you write the formula. Area of a circular pathway. The formula is pi capital R square minus small r square. Capital R, which given in the question as 120 centimeter square, and the small r, that is a inner circle radius, is 106 centimeter. Sorry, square will not come. Centimeter. Now pi value is 22 by 7. R square 120 square minus 106 square. Now 22 by 7 into, here we can go with multiply 120 into 2 times for 14,400 minus 106 11,236. Now 22 by 7 into, if you subtract this two number, 3,164. Yes, 3,164 divided by 7 will gives you 7 ones are 452. Usual division, we can go for the cancellation, into 22 is your answer is 9,944 meters square. Here the next sum you can try as a homework sum. We can go for the fifth sum. Fifth sum is about a rectangular pathway. Here it is given as a inner rectangle, and in the figure the outer rectangle length and breadth is given. So we can go for fifth sum. By seeing this figure, we can try the sum in the classwork note. So what is the formula to find the area of a rectangular pathway? Equal to, area of a rectangular pathway equal to pi, Area of a rectangular pathway formula, capital LB, that is outer rectangle LB, which given in the figure, length and breadth 50 and 80 meter. So first step, you have to multiply 50 into 80, find the value of outer rectangle area. So it is a 4000. Coming to the inner rectangle, which given length as a 40 and breadth as 70. So 40 into 70, it is a 2800 meter. Now we can go for the formula. We can substitute the outer rectangle and the inner rectangle. So 4000 minus 2800. So 4000 minus 2800, which gives you 1200 meter square. So area of a rectangular pathway is 1200 meters square. And coming to next sum, sixth sum, a rectangular garden has a dimension 11 into 8 meter. A path of 2 meter wide has to be constructed along its side. Find the area of the path. Okay, ma, let's try the sum in the classwork note. Question number 6. First step, what is the given? You please write what is the given rectangular dimension, that is the outer dimension is given as 11 meter and 8 meter, 11 into 8, that is length into breadth. Now path to the constructed to be constructed is 2 meter wide. Now inner rectangle we have to calculate. Inner rectangular is 2 square, that is equal to 4 meter. Now inner length is that is L is 11 meter minus 4 meter, that is 7 meter. Now inner breadth, that is B, 11 meter, 8 meter minus 4 meter, that is 8 minus 4, 4 meter. Now this two we have to multiply and then we have to subtract with the outer rectangular to find the area of a rectangular pathway. Inner rectangle equal to L into B, that is 7 into 4, which gives you 7 into 4 is 28 meter. Now once again please try the formula. Area of rectangular pathway is outer rectangle area minus inner rectangle square unit. The outer rectangle is 11 into 8, that is 88, minus inner rectangle is 28. So your answer is 60 meters square. Try to by heart all the formulas which are given in this exercise. End of this session, we will recap exercise 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. Let's try the other sum. Is given in question 8. A canal of width 1 meter is constructed along inside the field, which is 24 meter long and 15 meter wide. First step, you have to find the area of the canal and also the cost of constructing the canal at the rate of rupees 12 per square meter. For that, what we have to do? First, we have to find the total area of the canal and then we have to multiply with the given rate of cost. Okay, let's try the sum in the classwork, ma. So, question number 8. First step, you write the, please write the given L equal to 24 meter, that is your outer rectangle, B equal to 15 meter. Now area of the field equal to L into B, that is 24 into 50, which is equal to 360 meters square. Now, what is the width of the canal? Equal to 1 meter. So, first we have to find out the area of the inner rectangle, that is small l. Capital L minus 2 of width, that equal to 24 minus 2 into 1. So 24 minus 2 ones are 2, that is 22 meter. Now small breadth, smaller rectangle breadth, B minus 2 of the width, that is 24 minus 2 of the width is given as 1. So 24 is not, breadth is given as 15, is it? 15. So 15 minus 2. So 15 minus 2, it is a 13 meter. Now area of a inner rectangle is small l into b, that is 22 into 13, which is given as 286 meters square. Now area of the outer rectangle is 360 meters square. Area of the inner rectangle is 286 meters square. So the total area of the pathway of a rectangular pathway is LB minus small lb square unit. So now 360 minus 286, which give you 74 meters square. So to construct a canal, the rate of cost per unit is 12 is given in the book. So what is the step we have to write here? Area of constructing 1 meter square is given as rupees 12. So area of constructing for, what is the total area we find out? The 74 meters square, which is equal to 74 into 12. So the total cost we need to construct the field is rupees 888. Is it clear, student? Exercise 2.3. Let's move to objective type question. The formula to find the area of the circular pathway is pi capital R square minus small r square, that is capital R square is a outer circle and small r is a inner circle. The formula to use to find the area of rectangular path is L into B minus L into B, that is capital LB minus small lb square unit. Formula to find the width of a circular path is capital R minus R unit. So in exercise 2.1, we see about the circumference of the circle, and in exercise 2.2, we learnt how to find the value of area of a circle. Now in exercise 2.3, yes, we tried the sum to find the value of area of a circular pathway and area of a rectangular pathway. Kindly complete the classwork by seeing the PDF which uploaded in our web page, and try to submit the note to the school. Thank you, students.